want to add this section over here, the private room information, we can either click over here in the structure. We can see the structure from this button like so, or on those dots like so. But staying on the structure and clicking on this arrow, we can see how it is composed. It has two containers. The first container has an image and the second one has two heading widgets, a text editor and the button. We can see that the second container has some spacing over here. By going on this container and going to advanced, we can see the padding that is set to percentage, 10% to the right, that's the spacing over here, and 5% to the left, that's the spacing over here. So that's why we see that space like so. We can also see a bit of spacing over here and here. By going to the main container, to this one, private room information, we can see the direction, which is set go to the right, like so, and the alignment contents to center. So basically the image is bigger than this one. That's why we have that gap over there. If I'm changing the image, like so, now there's no more gap.